Hello fam, welcome back to my space. If today is your first time of seeing my video, my name is Olayinka, but I love it when you call me Quekin. If you like what you are seeing, I'll be taking you through on how to make this lovely fancy headband. Yes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's cruise together. Now let's get to work. So I made this lovely animal skin hairband off camera, so I'm like, I can easily do this for my people here to see. So I'm going to use this flower fabric. So you need your scissors, you need your elastic, you need your Affix pin, you need your safety pin, you need tape, and you need fabric. You can use any fabric. You can use Ankara print, you can use satin, you can use any type of fabric you like. So I'm using this flower one. So the measurement is 18 inches long, 7 inches wide. 18 inches long, 7 inches wide for two pieces. Then the last one is 11 inches long, 3.5 wide. So that's all for the. Then your elastic is 6 inches. I'm using this type of elastic. You can use the white one, so I'm using black since I'm still going to wrap it with the fabric. So the first thing you need to do now is to fold the fabric into two to the wrong side, then you sew, leave the other side open, you fold, then you sew, you stitch it down with your sewing machine, then you bring it out. Then that's just that. Then the next thing is to turn it to the other side. I use my hand to turn this to the other side, leaving the sewing part in the middle. Then the next thing, I'm going to iron it to make it neat. So I'm just going to iron the middle. So I've done that off camera. So the next thing I want to do now is to put the elastic in the fabric. So I use my safety pin to insert the elastic. So I'm going to secure that place so that the elastic will not go in the fabric. So I'm going to secure the first, then secure the other side, bring out the safety pin, then secure with my Affix pin. Yeah, then I'm going to sew the two sides. I'm going to sew it just like that. So after doing that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are just watching for the first time, please subscribe. Then what you are going to do now is the sewing side will be facing you, the next one will be facing, the sewing side for the first one will be facing you, the next one will be facing down. Can you see? So you interlock it like that. I hope you can see what I'm doing. So you need to watch this place very well. I'm so sorry my video is not that sharp. I did not remember to clean my camera, so I'm already done. When I was watching, I'm like, oh god, I didn't clean my camera. So this place, put the elastic, the fabric that you wrap with elastic, fold it, put it in the middle, fold the left and the right to each other. I'm going to take that again, just wash. I think I'm going to do another video using another fabric. This is not clear enough for me. So put it in the middle, fold that side, fold the other side just like this, then you stitch it down. Please like my video. Can you see? Then you take it to the other side too. Take to the other side, take the other end. Make sure that the sewing part is facing you when you are doing this, so that when you turn it to the other side, it will go in. Just repeat the same thing you did to the first one end, repeat it to the other end too, just like this. Then you stitch down. Can you see? Please say something nice about my video. Then you stitch it. After stitching it, we get it. You will see something like this. And the next thing is to turn it to the other side. Once you turn it to the other side, it will give you a perfect shape. All the sewing side will go in. Then you turn the other end, and we are done. Can you see how beautiful, simple, easy to make? Yes. I really need to know if I'm doing well. Please say something if you are watching my video. Please, if I'm doing well, let me saying something will make me to do better. So this is the end of our fancy headband. Every lady need a headband. Please subscribe, like my video, share my video. Please like my video. God bless you. Can you see? And we are done. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. I love you guys so much. Mwah. See you in my next video. Bye bye.